Welcome back to Lesson 1 on Line Symmetry. In this video, we'll look at drawing diagrams given a line of symmetry. So example 1, we have to reflect the figure below along the line of reflection. So we're going to determine how far away each vertex is from the line of reflection and then count that many blocks down. So this top point here is 1, 2, 3 blocks away from the line of reflection. So I'll count 1, 2, 3 blocks down. Then this point here is 2 blocks away. So then count down 2 blocks, corresponds to this point. Now this vertex is on the line of reflection, so that's not going to go anywhere. And same with this point over here. So now we'll join up our points to get our reflected image. Now for example 2, we have to reflect the image along the line x equals 1. Now x equals 1 is a vertical line going through the x-axis at 1. If you had to have an equation in the form y equals 1, then that would be a horizontal line going through the y-axis at 1. So now we'll do the same thing as example 1 and determine how far away each vertex is from the line of reflection. So starting with this point, I count over 2 blocks. It corresponds to this point over here. This point is 3 blocks away. So that's right here. Then this point is 1 block away. This one's 2 blocks away. This is 1 block away. And this one is 2. This is 1. And this one is 2. This is 1. And this one here is 3. So now I can join all the points together. Use a ruler or something straight if you have it, so all the lines are nice and straight. And there's the reflected image. Now for example 3, we're going to reflect along a diagonal. So we're still going to count the number of blocks, but this time we're going to count how far away the point is from the blocks by going through the blocks like this. So this point here is 1.5 blocks away. So if I count a half and then 1, it corresponds to this point. So this point here is 1 block away. So if I continue on 1 block, we get this point here. So this point is 1.5 blocks away. So count away, there's a half, and here's 1. This point is 1 block away. So that's going to be right here. This point is 1.5. So there's a half, and here's 1. This is 1 block away. That corresponds to this point. This point is 1, 2 away. So it'll be 1, 2 down here. This point is 1, 2.5. So do a half and then 2 full blocks. This one here is 2 blocks away. So that's going to be down here. This point is 1, 2.5. So count a half and then 2 more. And this one is 2 blocks away. Corresponds to this point. And then the last point we have 2.5 blocks, which gives us this point here. So now you can join these up to see the reflective figure. Now you can try folding your paper along the diagonal line to make sure all the points line up.